How to manifest your deepest desires using the law of attraction and the power of the heart. Introduction to manifesting your deepest desires using the law of attraction and the power of the heart. In this article, one will share with you a step-by-step system I put together for myself several years ago when I made the decision to combine all I had learned about heart intelligence, reality manifestation, personal development and spiritual growth, to manifest my heart's desires. Since then, this has become the basic framework I privately share with my individual coaching clients and group trainings. The information I'll be sharing here is a bird's eye view of the material I cover in greater detail in my Manifesting from the Heart 7-week online program available through this website. If you understand the 7 basic principles, follow the 9 steps I'll describe here with patience, and apply what you learn by doing the inner and outer work, you will literally expand your capacity to easily manifest your soul's desire, and actualize your potential in this lifetime. As George Bernard Shaw once said, life isn't about finding yourself. It's about creating yourself. Therefore, the process of manifesting from the heart is ultimately a process where you become a powerful, conscious creator so that you can give birth to a whole new version of yourself. Introduction to manifesting from the heart. In my experience, there's 2 kinds of lives, a default life, and a created life. A default life is the one you're destined to live if you just keep doing what you're currently doing now. A created life is one you chose to consciously create as you embark on a hero's journey towards the treasure that lives within your own heart. I believe this treasure is who you really are, and who you came here to be in this lifetime. Some people call this your higher calling or soul's purpose. I like to call it the law of the heart, which basically says that within your heart there is a treasure, or seed containing the destiny you're here to manifest. This treasure lies dormant within you, already accomplished, only awaiting expression in the physical realm by virtue of your perception of it, the choices you make and the actions you take from a united state of heart and mind. Imagine for a moment what would your life look like, feel like, and sound like if you could just stop pleasing others and worrying about what they think of you, and start following the desires of your heart. Imagine where you would live, what kind of lifestyle you would have, what kind of relationships and friendships you would enjoy. Most importantly, imagine who would you be, and how would you show up differently for yourself and others. This kind of life is possible. And I know this because this is the life I'm creating, and helping many others create. But before we dive in, let me just warn you. Creating this kind of life is a journey. A journey towards a higher expression of yourself, towards the kind of person you know in your heart you came here to be. A journey that transcends your mind's imagination, into the limitless possibilities contained within your heart. And, as all journeys, it begins when you make the conscious choice or commitment to follow the call to adventure from within your own heart, and leave the safety and security of your default life. The 7 principles to manifesting from the heart. Manifesting from the heart requires that you first become aware of the key 7 principles underpinning this process. You may find that some of these ideas are not new. In fact, most of them are part of the wisdom passed to us from ancient traditions, now being corroborated by science. Principle number 1: everything in the physical universe is made of electromagnetic energy. The chair you are sitting on, a rock, your physical body, it is all made of energy, specifically, electromagnetic energy. At the subatomic level, all matter is ultimately made up of particles or waves of energy moving at high speed. Principle number 2: thoughts are primarily electric, while feelings are primarily magnetic. Each one of your thoughts is a unit of mental energy mostly composed of electricity. Electrical energy is focused direct energy. On the other hand, the energy powering your feelings or emotions is mostly made up of magnetic energy. Magnetic energy either attracts or repels. The combination of thoughts plus feelings creates a subtle electromagnetic field which cannot be seen but can be felt and even measured. Please subscribe to the channel to receive the latest videos. Want to learn more? Take the next step. If you'd like to take what you just learned to the next level, consider enrolling in my Manifesting from the Heart online course. For a small investment of only $28, this 7-lesson course comes complete with video lessons, audios, worksheets and all you need to manifest your heart's desires. Click here to learn more about the Manifesting from the Heart online course. For more details, click on the link below the video.